gig this morning, Melita. Got the old crypto night on. Look at that. Very rough and tumble day, isn't it? What are you putting on? What secret weapon you got? Hold it up. Oh. See what I got on?
Yeah.
We've got the light stuff. Melly's got the Stella. I got the little 1000 Stratty. We're going to see what we can muster up here this morning. Very rugged. There it is. I'm getting a few, but the blues are on. Oh, what's here, blue or barra? Oh no, he's a little blue. I might have to go down there and grab him, eh? You might have to just bring him down that way, up that way, or up this way maybe. I'll jump down on this rock, eh?
Okay.
Alright. Get some video of me going ass up. In my safety boots. Oh. How long's your leader? Long enough?
Not very long.
Oh.
Hang on, let me get him.
That's alright, no, I got it. Look at that.
Oh, Jesus, Jason.
There you go. There we go.
Thanks.
Leah's first cast smashed one. Now she's had a cast with my rod while I rig up. Alright. And we don't know what it is yet. But it's pumping her. Hey.
Yeah.
Oh. Got the little thowie going hard.
It has got the thowie going.
You didn't see what it was? Could be a barra, eh?
No, I think it was a big blue.
I reckon the last thing that got you might have been a mac.
Oh, he's in the rocks. He's in the rocks. He's in the... Oh, there he's out.
There you go, he's off. Nothing like a bit of Snyder line. Hey. This is the expensive stuff from Colin. From Fishing Team Snyder. Up him, baby, give it to him. Get him in. Oh, is he a big, what is he? Oh, he's a big blue. He's running hard.
Not even that big, really.
Really rough conditions out here today. He's giving it to you. I might have to go down the rock and get him. We'll let him go. Oh,
Just go down and get it.
I'll get the net. It'll be easy to land him. I'll let him go though. This is one of the things about fishing off the rocks at Dundee, is getting down to the fish to get it in. You get plenty of action, but in your safety boots, you got to be a bit careful getting down. Bit of fun there. And we're fishing really light line. On light rods, so it's a little bit tricky to get to. Whoop. Oh, that leader's all. Oh, look! Lure come out. Fish is in the net. Oh, I'll let that one go, eh?
Yep.
Beautiful. It's been not a bad little morning this morning, little sesh on the rocks. Terrible conditions. A few barra, but it was a bit chaotic when the barra were on. I didn't bother bloody videoing them. Well, I got to make my way back up the rocks. To get...
Really light line.
Oh. On the Stell this time.
Is that a log there?
Sure is. You might have to run down around the corner a bit. Might have to get the net again. Packed up, ready to go. And the one more cast, girl. I'll just have another cast. Boom, straight away. I'll be going across the top. Maybe, I don't know. Is it coming back? Is it coming back? Is it? Just going a bit different. Yeah, I had the drag crank pretty hard on the reel. You're gonna make it hard for me to get down there. I'll have to come around that side. Where's he at? Has he got you?
I've got him.
Be good if you could take him over that way. Okay. Oh, there he is. How do I get into that? I'm going to bring him over the rock. Yeah, let me get down there. Where's he gone? Is he coming?
Yeah, it's just gone deeper in this rock.
Yep, I'm coming down.
Got him under the belly.
Oh, you got him sideways. I can't get on that rock with my safety boots. That's just too much angle for an old bloke like me, Melita. Like, you know, that's almost...
I don't know what you want me
I'll need me rock climber shoes on for that one. Oh. Far out, how can I... There you go, multitasking. Careful. You want me to hold the rod? He gets the rod.
You just want to hold my rod.
I do. There you go. Geez, this rod feels nice. There you go, you got him. Another little... Hey? So there it is, look at that. That's a weapon. An absolute weapon. Stella 1000. Look at that. Thank you, Shimano. What a quality bit of kit. And this is just a terrible day. Well hooked, hey?
Oh yeah.
It might be dog feed.
It's in the fin, in the soft bit, but I can't get it.
Jesus. Can't get it out?
Yeah,
There you go, got it. You gonna throw him back?
Yeah.
Oh. There you go. Spear him. See you later, Bruss. Oh, there you go. Rock climbing, fishing. Snyder fishing line on the Shimano Stella. It's a nice bit of kit. I'm a bit jelly of the wife with that. Yeah.